So let's take a look at how you can create basic HTTP server in Golang. So what you can do is open command prompt, type in Go, and see if you can get Go language command line options. If you can get it, that means you have Golang compiler installed on your system. Next thing would be to navigate to directory where you have created a Golang file, okay, or you wish to execute on that directory. So in my case, it's D files. Okay, now I'm opening Visual Studio Code where I have one Go file created. Let's say demo.go is the file name. Okay, so first thing, type in package main. Next would be to import IO package and net HTTP package. Okay, so I have this net/HTTP. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use function demo that will basically be used to call HTTP and then call for response writer. Okay, and next would be for write operation. I'm going to use HTTP request. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, next would be we are going to use IO dot write string, where write operation will be that I want to simply use DevNami as output, then /n. Okay, and within main function I'm going to call this demo function. So HTTP dot handle function that will just call for root, and then demo function. Then we have HTTP dot listen find serve. Okay, that would be for colon 8080, and passing nil to that. Okay, what now we will do is we will simply run go demo.go, and we will also create one more instance, okay, where we will access that server from this. Okay, so hit enter and wait for compiling to begin. One thing to note though, you have to use star operator before HTTP request. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and hit enter. Okay, sorry, I have to use go run demo.go, and once it's running, you can open another instance. Here you can use curl then HTTP. Okay, allow access if firewall asks you to. Then come back to command prompt, type in localhost 8080 then /demo. Now you can hit enter and it should return me with the output DevNami, which is same here, which should be when we access a certain part of that web server. So here we are calling demo function that should output DevNami. So you get the idea how you can send request and get response with this basic HTTP server.